chairman, principal, all management staff, and the entire family of Kudamili School. I, Rimcha Shadab of Class 8, have got a wonderful opportunity to deliver you a speech on this special day. To celebrate the 78th anniversary of our country's independence, we all have assembled. We shall honor all the freedom fighters who dedicated their lives just for the nation's freedom. The thing that upsets me on Independence Day is the amount of waste we generate in the form of mini tricolor flags, wristbands, etc. These are used and then thrown away after the Independence Day is over. That you all know, the British sovereignty over India ends on 15 August 1947. The British were brutal to our ancestors while they were in power. We can't imagine how difficult it must be for India to live in British Empire from where we are sitting or standing. We can never forget the sacrifices of Rani Lakshmi Bai, Mahatma Gandhi, Bhagat Singh and many more who lost their life just for the nation's future or freedom. On this significant day, it's our responsibility